Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add custom font. That means that WordPress has not that font and you are adding it. For that we'll go in Elementor and custom font. Page will open something like that and then add new. You'll give a font name which you want to add and then click on add font variation. Here you will give that it should be normal or italic or bold. You'll set all the weight and style and then click on upload font, right? Before this I want to tell you that you can download your font from Google Font or anywhere and then you have to do this process, right? So I have downloaded and I'm showing you the uploading process. Okay, now let's move. So here I uploaded a TTF format. You'll get different formats, so you upload the TTF format, then select the style and weight and upload. Here you can see I have uploaded one font. Now let's upload the another one. So in one font there is different, right? Bold, italic, then it's in different one. So simply you can import all and you can select the weight and style, right? So you have to upload the TTF format and select the weight and style. Here let me show you one more. So I uploaded one font and here I am selecting, like, rather than choosing bold I can choose 400 or 500, right? So you can choose like that also and add. Now let's upload other font quickly. So we will just choose and upload and select weight from here, and 4 is done. One more, let's do 5. Now let's add the last one and then we will publish it. Here I selected, change the weight and let's publish this. Now let's go to the new page, refresh it and go to style, then typography, and here you can see that all the fonts are there. Can you see? Let me search and here you can see I found it. So successfully we have uploaded the fonts and we can see that in new pages. So you can use your custom font in any pages you want and make your website more attractive. I hope you found this video helpful and let me know your thoughts about it. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment. See you in the next one. Bye bye.